Hello, my name is John Moses with Coldwell Banker, Dan Harper Realtors. We're out here in San Antonio, Texas in Alamo Ranch, about to explore this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home on a hill with views that pretty much everybody could appreciate. We are literally about 1 minute away from a elementary school that I cannot pronounce for some reason. I ain't even gonna try. And 3 minutes away from groceries, gas, and eats. And just a few more minutes away from all your shops at Alamo Ranch. Guys, this property is absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to show you those details. All right, this wind is driving me crazy. Let me go ahead and show you the outside of the house, and then we can explore everything on the inside. Sorry about that, guys. The wind was absolutely crazy. This home is stunning. Once again, sitting on the hill, which you'll see the full benefits in the backyard. Down the block, the elementary school is there for quick and easy access. The only things that are concerning people out here in the northwest, west side of San Antonio is going to be the traffic, but how quickly this place is growing. They're actually putting a lot of access points and building on 1604, hopefully offer a remedy to that traffic very soon. Not only is this home beautiful and unique in its design, but it also has a 3-car garage, which is kind of rare in this neighborhood. As we walk into this wonderful home, you notice you have wood flooring with a private dining area that is being hugged by this cathedral ceiling, tall ceilings. You also have your coat closet as you walk into your nice private kitchen area. Opposite from an open floor plan, but it gives you the opportunity to come here and privately cook your meal, but also has a service window right here so you can go ahead and pass the food for those who are lounging in the living area. Fully functional island, and here is a look at your pantry. As we pass by the breakfast nook area, you do have your laundry unit, complete with extra storage area for either more pantry space or whatever you choose. And here's a look into your 3-car garage. Plenty of storage space and definitely plenty of room for 3 cars, 2 cars, and storage, whatever you choose. As we walk into the living area, you'll notice the ceilings open up again. You do have access to the nice views that we'll talk about more here in just a little bit. But you also have quick access to your guest bathroom that is right across from your main room. Plenty of space in this room with your accented ceilings. You have your French doors that are going to be leading you all the way into your main room with dual sinks. You have your upright shower and garden tub. Privacy commode area and also your walk-in closet. As you go upstairs, you'll have access to your second full bath. This is going to be room number 1, very spacious room, and room number 2 as well. That's going to be divided by the loft area, the gaming room, entertainment room, whatever you choose. What's really great about this is that you actually can view everybody in the living room and also see anybody coming in or just hanging out in the dining room area. And this is going to be your 4th and final room. As we go outside, this is where you see the full hillside advantage. You actually have a nice cozy covered patio that leads you to view your entire enormous backyard where you can come out here and lounge a little bit and really appreciate all this view. I'm sure this will look amazing at the stroke of midnight on New Year's Eve. If you have any questions that I did not cover in this video, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Guys, like and subscribe as we have so much more videos to show you, so many more home tours. We're going to explore San Antonio and keep you updated with the market. I would strongly encourage you to check out this video right now, talking about all the benefits buyers are getting right now and how to take advantage of them. My name is John Moses with Coldwell Banker, Dan Harper Realtors. To old friends and new,